sustainable, because what will I do with the other part of, because I mean it's just two parts of the bottles, the cover and then the base.
Hey everyone, good day and welcome back to the channel. Today we're on the set of Fun Eat Forward and we'll be meeting with the incredible contestants in a new segment we're calling Behind the Pitch. Today we have one of the very important contestants with us today, so introduce yourself and what you do.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Deborah Adediran, founder of Diya Collections, an eco-friendly fashion accessory brand where we make handbags like this from plastic waste like water sachet, polythene bag, and interestingly our bags are not just all sustainable, it's also smart in that we have an NFC chip embedded in it. So once with just the tap of your phone you can get to see our stories, how your bag is being transformed from waste into your wardrobe. Yeah,
amazing. So Diya Collections.
Yeah.
Wow. So I'm hearing waste recycling and I'm hearing smart technology. How did you come about that?
Okay, so for the waste part of it, so there's this story of mine. So I'm a flood survivor.
Okay.
Sometimes in 2014, I think I was about 16 years old thereabouts, in the city of Ibadan. So something happened. I almost lost my life to flood. But for people who of my Yoruba descent would have heard this word. So many times my mom would tell me, "Ma fojuda gbara," don't, meaning that don't underestimate any kind of flood or whatever. Not. So I was in the market and there's something that comes with our drainage system not so good. So everywhere was flooded. You will not even know, you'll not be able to differentiate from the road, the gutters or whatnot. So there is this particular gutter I was going to step into thinking it's another pedestrian way for me. But at that moment I was going to cross over. My mom's voice just came to me that I just startled. If I can remember vividly, it was a lightning, there's this thunderstorm that happens and all that. So that particular thunderstorm sounded like my mom's voice and then I stopped. So later on I found out that that particular gutter I was going to step into was leading to a canal in the market. So I mean that story just really shows, because I mean the reason why we have all of those flooding is because there's this unmanaged waste in our community and all of those things. So that was what led me into using fashion as a tool for transformation, right? So that I mean I love fashion, I'm creating fashionable items, but I can also use it as a transformational tool where waste management is concerned. And to maybe just a little bit to talk on it, because many times we read reports, 200 and I think 2023 UNICEF said 1.2 million people were affected by flood, and just this year we recorded about 419 lives being lost. These are not just mere numbers. These are people, real people, human, right? Real businesses. It was still another report I saw, 2023, 20,000 hectares of farmland was submerged in flood waters. So it's not just a thing of we're going to fold our hands. Everybody needs to take action, individuals and businesses, and that's what Diya Collection is doing.
Amazing. It's good to see a strong reason behind something like fashion, because when you say fashion, people just say I have a dream, I want to be in a Cinderella dress, but you're using fashion to solve for environmental problems, which is amazing. So how long have you been working on this for?
So my first project was in 2021. I used to upcycle plastic bottles. So if you check your plastic bottles, there's usually underneath it is a design that looks like a petal. So I'll cut it, spray it, and then use it as an accessory on the bag. Then the cover bottles too, I'll take it, merge like three together, use it as an accessory on the bag. But for me it wasn't sort of it, that's what I use. So I started research. So I've been researching from 2021 and then till 2023. Then I found out that okay, there's something I can do with water sachet, and there's something I can do with polyethylene bag. So in 2023 I had my first prototype. That was November. So I had the prototype, did a pilot study around January this year, got feedbacks from our women, and then in May we launched our collection this year.
May this year?
Yes, May this year. And so far there's even this particular design, it's called Sapse Tamira, meaning, so we love to say that our products are ones that serve the people and save the planet. So this
Love
particular
that.
collection is Save Say Tamira and all of that. So this particular collection is sold out. I said that to say that
I hope I can take this one home.
I said that to say that, serving, our eco-conscious fashion enthusiasts, we've recorded 98% customer satisfaction.
Wow.
Like, they love their bags.
Love that.
And, sometimes I tell people that our bags are unbelievable. If I tell you it's made from water sachets, you won't believe it.
The quality, and it's so sturdy.
Yes. That's the idea.
Amazing.
So, I mean, to the question, when did I start the project? We started in 2021 with transition, and then we've gotten, her market fit products right now.
Amazing, amazing. So Fund It Forward.
Yeah.
You're here.
Yes.
So tell us about your journey into Fund It Forward and your expectations from the show.
My journey started by seeing the advert on Instagram and
stay on Instagram, guys.
Really, I mean, so I saw it on Instagram, went ahead to check some certain snippets that people had done, and I remembered somebody asked me this question. One reason why I applied for Fund It Forward outside of the funding that comes with it is the visibility, because I mean I saw it at a time where I tested my product, and I know that it's something that is deserving to be seen. If 20 people are saying this is good, Diya will love this, Diya will love this, that means that 20,000 people, 2 million people can also say that same thing. And I know that Fund It Forward will be giving me that platform where thousands of people all across the world can get to see what we are doing. So that was one reason why I said, okay, let's get to do this thing, right? So let's get that visibility, and of course the funding, because we could do much more with resources. If we had been able to close certain sales even with our limited marketing budget. So now to talk about when we have much more to do. So I mean, the funding would be able to allow us scale our impact. There are certain people who are employed because we're doing this, and we're still doing it at a very limited scale. So there's going to be the ripple effect beyond the environmental challenge we're solving, offsetting carbon emission and mitigating environmental crisis. People are being directly employed. So I'm not just getting the funding for oh, I was funded. I'm getting the funding so that many other people can get into the track of our work and get employed. So it's not just a win for me, it's a win for the world. And then unemployment, we have 33% staggering record of unemployment in Nigeria. So things like this will help us flatten the curve in a way. So yes, that's why Fund It Forward is here.
I love that.
And we are here.
I love that. So you're solving real-time problems, not just environmental problems, but also employment, right? Which is amazing. So how can people find you? Someone looking at, guys, this is so sturdy. I've been around eco products and I've been around eco bags. This is sturdy. Like it's sitting well. I don't know how to explain it. Your voice coming to mouth. It's sitting well, which means that you're onto something really great. So how can people find you?
How you can, I'm findable.
Love that.
Just on Instagram, Diya Collections _, Diya DIYA. Then the collections, that's S behind it _ You'll find us. Once you find our Instagram page, you'll find us other social media platform, and on LinkedIn you'll find Adediran Deborah. You get to even know much more about what we are doing, because you need to find this brand, because we're creating a product that will not only save you but will save the planet. I mean, Agatha, if you're right, we wouldn't be doing this if there's just a flash of flood. There wouldn't be media on a dead planet. There wouldn't be fine girl on a dead planet. Everybody will be trying. You won't remember your lashes. Everybody will be trying. How can I stay afloat? So we are doing that, knowing that your fashion can be a tool for transformation. So you are securing the planet for the next generation. There's been a whole lot of trend around, class of 2024 brides and all of those things. It only makes sense when we are having a healthy planet. So yes, again, you'll find me on Instagram, on LinkedIn. Instagram, Diya Collections _ LinkedIn, my name, Adediran Deborah.
Okay, awesome. So sustainable fashion, Fund It Forward. Guys, get into it. Look for on Instagram, Diya Collections. Thank you so much, Diya, for coming on the show. Hopefully we hear good news from your time here. Amazing.
Thank you so much. It was an amazing time with you, and you look dashing.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Can I stand up?
Yeah, you can.